Hello everybody, my name is Kimberly and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be looking over how to resize an object in Adobe Photoshop. Fairly simple task. If I'm going too fast for you at any moment, feel free to pause. All of my keystrokes will be at the bottom of the screen, bottom right, so you'll be able to see all of the command and keybinds that I use. Like I said, this is a fairly simple task, but let's get started. So when you are resizing an object, in this case, I got this little cat off of Adobe Stock. Remember, Adobe Stock does have free stock images that you can use for practice, so feel free to go there. It's not sponsored, I'm just letting you guys know every tool is important. So in this case, I went and got the cat. So resizing in Adobe Photoshop is free transform. So I know the keybind by heart, but if you're looking for it, it's in Edit, and it's right here. So since I'm on a PC, for me, it's Control T. We're just going to click on it. Excuse me. And there you have it. So Control T, or free transform, lets you resize your object in any way that you want. Here are a couple of keybinds to help you resize. If you don't click anything, grab a corner and just scale down. It's going to stay the exact same proportion. When you're done resizing, always remember to press Enter. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and do Control T again for the free transform. If you hold down Shift, your image is going to flatten and just do its distortion. It's really just a distortion tool. So unless you have a very specific reason to do this, I would suggest highly to forget that Shift exists in resizing images in Photoshop. So I'm just gonna go press Escape to have it the same size it was. Excuse me, I'm just gonna drink a bit of water. Now, I'm going to go do Control T again for the free transform. If you hold down Shift and Alt, if you only hold down Alt while resizing, your image is going to resize proportionally, but towards the center. So there you have it. If you want to resize an image or an object, you simply have to do Control T or go in Edit and free transform. Make sure you're on a proper layer. Remember that Shift distorts your image and that Alt always goes proportionally towards the middle, and you're going to be good to go. So it's as simple as that. I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a comment, like, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be adding a lot more of these small tips to help out. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.